I'm Zoe, your AI host at AI Pro Photography. Let's talk about generating a portrait that reads as a real photograph. AI portrait photography generates a believable human face from a written prompt, instead of capturing one with a camera. The tools moved fast. A good prompt now returns skin, catch lights, and fabric that read as a real photograph. Modern portrait generators are diffusion models. They start from random noise and remove it step by step until a face emerges that matches your words. That is why two runs of the same prompt look different. Each begins from a different seed, so you are not retrieving a photo, you are guiding a fresh reconstruction. So, how do you make AI portrait photography look real? You prompt like a photographer. You name the shot type, the subject, the light, then the lens. Camera and lens terms matter because the model learned from real photographs. Where does it still give itself away? The fine detail. Hands, teeth, and the last stretch of skin. And keeping the same face across a set is genuinely hard. The honest read on AI portrait photography? A concepting tool, not a replacement for a real portrait session. If you'd like to see more of what AI can do with your photos, come and explore at aiprophotography.com. And if you want more of these, subscribe to our YouTube channel.